Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha, and today we have something different, but battery related. So this is, I don't know why it says digital battery. This is battery for digital camera. This is high power lithium ion BP511. The high power thing, we will definitely gonna check that. So let's take a look what we have and run some tests. Alright, so I'm telling you straight, this is, I bought this battery because my battery from my Canon 5D, Canon 40D, and also it works for Canon 20D, 10D, 50D, and several other old digital cameras from Canon. They are running very low and they don't like cold anymore. So if you bring your camera outside in winter, game over, pretty much dies immediately. So I decided to splurge for new batteries. They were not expensive, they were like $20 for two of them because I bought two. They go in 2 packs. So it was a good deal. So this one is still packaged, but there is nothing really to it. It's just very simplistic packaging. I just show you just a little box. Little box, nothing in there. Battery was in a cellophane and was sitting inside. I bought two of them because I have like Canon 40D and Canon 5D, at least to have for one camera each. There's still one in here. So let's see what we have. This, oh by the way, I'm gonna show you original battery. So this is original Canon battery. These batteries are obsolete now. So all Canon, like at least Canon DSLR, are switched to this kind of battery. This is LPE6. This is BP511. There is a very interesting differences between this and that. First of all, the contact layout is completely different, and the voltage is different. So this guy is 7.2 volt. This guy is 7.4 volt. So clearly this is proper dual cell lithium battery, and this is, I don't even know what the heck is it. Yeah. So maybe it's like, I don't know, LiFePO battery, I don't know, lithium iron or something. Yeah. Anyway, so that's not the video, not about this. The video is about this. So this particular battery is the better one that I have. I have 3 of them. So 2 others are pretty much dead ski. This one still can hold 900 milliampere hours out of 1300, almost 1400. So these guys, on the other hand, they claim 7.4 volt at 2200 milliampere hours. I'll tell you straight, this is shit. No. Obviously, I never believed this number, but on the good side, I ran some tests and I noticed that this battery discharge at about between 100 milliampere hour. With discharge current of 100-200 milliamp over course of like many hours, it's actually able to produce about 1300 or almost 1400 milliampere hours. So this battery is actually equivalent to this battery, but this junk 2200 milliampere hours is completely bogus. This is bogus. Nevertheless, the battery is still okay. Let's do something here. We have a little scale. Sometimes it's telling the weight of the battery is very important. Sometimes it shows the quality of the battery. So sometimes the lithium batteries are very light. That means they are garbage. So this one is, the original one is almost 79 grams. What about this guy? Is almost 2.5 grams lighter. So I would say this battery is weight-wise is real. How about this one? This one's heavier. No, about the same. So they are ballpark in the same size. I never actually disassembled one of those, so I don't know how they look inside, but it's really kind of looking like they have 2 cells. This one is maybe completely different. Yeah, but this one, maybe I will, one of the old batteries, which is completely dead, I will take apart and we'll take a look what is in there, but not today. So I did run some tests, obviously, and here's the photo to prove that I actually run some tests with this. And the capacity is obviously, this is so wrong. So I kept this thing in camera or outside, and it's actually working fine. I haven't had any long exposure, but so far so good. Obviously I didn't run any endurance test in camera. I have no idea what's the current draw of the camera when it's like shooting, when it's like turning, focusing, or ever using image stabilization. I have no idea. It's very actually hard to well, you know what, I can't measure it because it's probably I can MacGyver some kind of external power supply, connect to my lab bench power supply, do all that and see. It is possible, but probably gonna be kind of, yeah, involving, because for example I can disassemble one of those batteries and just connect two contacts here, set it to 7.4 volt, two wires gonna go to the power supply. Yeah, we can take a look at that, but this is probably not about this video, not about we're not gonna do this in this video. It's outside the scope. But I did guesstimate that about 200 milliamp per hour, from 100 to 200 can be just a ballpark when this thing working. The battery, the draw of the battery during normal camera operation. So what I can say, my recommendation probably this is okay. Obviously time will tell, because this battery can work okay for some time, and then it's just like their capacity dropping like, I don't know, like a stone. It's totally possible, have no idea, but this is a gamble, so I have no choice, because another option, only the option to get this sort of battery is to buy it with some sort of old camera, but you're not guaranteed that you're gonna get anything good. Maybe there is a new old stock someone will sell on marketplace or some Kijiji or Craigslist and things like that, but probabilities, you never know. So here what we got. So if you're looking for this replacement, this is probably gonna cut it. So yeah, this is gonna cut it. So this is probably gonna be it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned and stay safe. Ciao.